this is HiFinder Expo highlights from the Hydrogen Technology Expo in Hamburg 2024. Today I'm with Philipp Schurig from Pfeiffer Vacuum. And Philipp, you guys have something impressive on the show. What are you presenting today?
Thanks, Steven. We are presenting here this time the recent new product from our leak test module product line. It enables our customers to having a good, thorough leak testing process based on very reliable components.
So this is a leak test machine.
It's a leak test module, exactly.
Module.
Exactly,
Okay.
exactly.
With a chamber where you can put something inside.
Exactly. That's a DN300 chamber. We also have it with the DN500 diameter, as it's based on standardized components. And here you see a mink blower from our colleagues inserted, which is here to be leak tested, because this is mandatory in a lot of different industries.
Okay, so the way this works is you create a vacuum in there, and then you have another medium inside the thing you're testing, and then you check if that escapes.
Exactly. Okay. You're pressurizing the part based on the customer's pressure requirements. This can be 1 bar, this can be 10 bar, depends really on the customer's recipe. Also the leak test level requirements depends on the customer's specification. And when we have, with the 60 years of experience from leak testing as Pfeiffer Vacuum, we are able to build a very nice system based on our complete portfolio, leak detectors, valves, state-of-the-art pump equipment here, the High Scroll series, and all of this together gives the customers the flexibility they need to test, for example, in their prototyping stage, different sizes of prototypes.
Okay, so all these components are made by yourselves?
Yes.
Okay, and that means you basically, your work is also to integrate all this into a module to make it actually work.
Exactly. Yeah. With all the years of experience, we have so many customer requests received in the past who are looking for something exactly like this. And we decided 2 years ago to enter the module business to give our customers our experience with our own components in one system, which gives them the advantage that all the service comes from our hands. As a global company, we have in a lot of different countries a very good situation, so our customers appreciate this a lot.
All right, okay. So, I know you built this module now for leak testing of those, but I know that you're also working on bigger systems, other systems specifically for the hydrogen economy as well.
Exactly, Steve. We also have a specific designed system for the bipolar plate leak testing.
Okay.
Maybe we can have a look on the screen on the back.
Right, okay.
To talk about this in the video, yes. Exactly, you see here, one of the key advantages is our innovative sealing concept. It allows us to have different thicknesses of bipolar plates without a tooling change.
Okay, you have the bipolar plates there. Okay.
Yes.
Without the tooling change.
Yes, when you want to test different thicknesses, which is mandatory the bipolar plate production, you don't need to exchange it. You also see here the inlay.
Yes.
You can change the different dimensions with a very small change to the vacuum chamber, which is very of advantage for R&D or production sites because they don't need a lot of storage to change between chamber sizes or geometries.
Okay, so in this case we would be testing the leak tightness of the plates.
Exactly, from the 3 different channels inside the plate into each other or externally. Whatever the customer wants to specify, this module can achieve all of this in a very short cycle time. The industry, it goes to a total cycle time of 3 seconds. When you duplicate this kind of module, we can reach this. But it's also very reasonable in R&D stages, and it can be easy duplicated and adjusted for a production environment.
And just to understand, so how long would the one testing cycle take, more or less? And what media do you put in there? Vacuums just? Or?
So how long the testing cycle is depends totally on the recipe of the customers. It can be, let's say we tail it here, below 40 seconds for a recipe is normal. This is what the industry needs. And the media used is normally helium, because the air leak testing is good for a gross leak test, but the requirements go so low in the meanwhile that they need helium leak testing again.
All right, okay. Well, I mean, I see Pfeiffer Vacuum, you guys have really long experience in all of this, and it's nice to see that you are providing products to the hydrogen economy as well, which surely will help make them more reliable and even better.
Yes, but it's not only these modules. We also have here something like a residual gas analyzer, or GST350. Helps to understand gas compositions or permeation behavior of materials, but also we offer ATEX certified pumps, valves you've seen in the front. And all of this together is one of the part of the complete portfolio we can offer to customers.
And what is your specialty, if I may ask?
My specialty, I'm a market manager for mobility, so my specialty is to consult my customers to find the right solution for their needs. The best pump solution to fit to their cycle time requirements with the reliable results they need.
Okay, so basically working with the customer, advising them on this your broad portfolio.
Yes, to find the right product combination to solve their solution, their problem.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Philip. This has been very insightful. That was Hifind Expo highlights today with Pfeiffer Vacuum. Thank you, Philip.
Thanks, Stephen.